there.
Here we are, HyperTone workshop here at Infinite Hardwood Distributors in Tacoma. Mr. Tim Nathan, stain technician. We're gonna get a little thing. We got already customers here ready to.
Do I need to kind of add a little rub on there?
Here we go.
So I'll just start like you guys know nothing about the product. Makes it simple.
Yep.
It's an oil-water hybrid stain, which kind of is a bizarre concept when we think about it, because everybody knows that oil and water are not supposed to mix.
I try to mix oil and water as much as I can.
Helps in dressing.
Sometimes it works.
Vinaigrette, you know, and all that kind of, but it does have that unique chemistry that kind of blends the two worlds together, which is what we kind of find that guys are intrigued about. If there's an oil component to it, what makes it different? Why? Well, what are the negatives of a water-based stain? My experiences have been application. I get lap lines. 2, color pull. So if I go and put a water-based coating on, it's pulling all that pigment right back off. I don't know if you guys even tried water-based stains, but I'm sure you've heard the stories if you haven't.
Once.
Okay. So where this stain has kind of brought some balance there is that oil component adds the binder and the workability. So I got a chance of actually laying this product down without having a lap constantly, and when I go to put a water-based coating on it, it's not going to pull a bunch of color off that floor on me right away. So as long as it's dry, I can T-bar, I can brush, I can put a water-based coating on there and have not have the color pull issue. The other nice component to this product is the pigment technology we're using. So we went to an automotive pigment technology, as opposed to using a traditional stain pigment technology. What that gives us is more vibrancy. It also allows us to have a stronger color palette. So now I can put primaries, I can put stronger whites, blacks, I can add color to a floor and have more uniformity. I can stain exotics and dense species and have more color saturation because the pigments are stronger, the pigments are more intense. The great part about automotives, because of the refinement of it and the base we're using, I never have to worry about the product settling and hardening on the bottom. The binder isn't so strong that it creates a film form if I open the container, use part of it, and then close it and let it sit on the shelf for a while. All I gotta do is shake it. Literally, just gotta do this, and I'm ready to go. So never have a stick on the bottom, never turns to a crust on the bottom. I just think there's a value there that you don't have the waste factor. Our products are always foil sealed. I did poke a hole, but the foil seal means that product's gonna be as fresh as possible when you get it in your hands. I like working out of the bucket. I just think it's a simple method to teach as a core system. I don't know if you guys are ragging your stains on or if you're applicating. Rag on is not going to be very conducive to this stain. Mainly because it's a thicker product. So when you rag it on, you're going to be dragging product inconsistently across that floor, and now your colors are going to show that inconsistency. I was taught to applicate my stain with lamb's wool.
Yeah.
I don't know why, that's the way my dad did it. So when I started kind of working on a technique with this method, lamb's wool was working, but the roller's actually faster. And to me, the key is get done, get out of there, move on to the next step. I'm gonna water pop because it's hickory.